Grounding a steel coverall building is crucial for electrical safety. Here is a procedure to properly ground the structure. Firstly, gather the necessary materials. You will need ground rods, at least 10 feet long and 5/8 inch or larger in diameter, ground clamps, copper bonding straps with a minimum of number 6 American wire gauge, grounding wire, also a minimum of number 6 American wire gauge, and the main electrical panel. The first step in the procedure is to install ground rods. Drive at least 2 ground rods into the earth at a minimum depth of 10 feet. Space them at least 6 feet apart. Ensure that the ground rods are set vertically and are at least 6 inches below the finished grade. Secondly, connect the ground rods. Use ground clamps to connect the ground rods together with number 6 American wire gauge copper bonding straps. Thirdly, bond the building steel to the ground rods. Connect the steel tubing of the building to the ground rod system using number 6 American wire gauge copper bonding straps. Attach the straps to the steel tubing near the concrete footers. Fourthly, bond the electrical panel to the ground rods. Run a number 6 American wire gauge grounding wire from the ground bus in the main electrical panel to the ground rod system. Connect the wire to the ground clamps using grounding lugs. Fifthly, install the high bay lights and other electrical items. All electrical devices, including high bay lights, fans, and outlets, should be properly grounded. Use grounding wires and grounding screws to connect all electrical components to the building's grounding system. There are additional considerations to keep in mind. Regarding lighting, ensure that the high bay lights have a grounded fixture and that the fixture is properly bonded to the building's grounding system. For electrical protection, install a lightning protection system if the building is located in an area prone to lightning strikes. The lightning protection system should be properly grounded to the building's grounding system. Periodic inspection and maintenance are critical. Regularly inspect the grounding system for any signs of damage or corrosion. Perform any necessary repairs or replacements as needed. It is recommended to consult with a licensed electrician or a qualified professional to ensure proper grounding and electrical safety.